Hey y'all, thanks for checking out Euclid Mining. So the other day I turned off all my phones from Luckpool. Let's hop over. I'm going to show you why. So Luckpool's been great to me from the very beginning. I've used Luckpool since I started mining with cell phones, and it's been great. I've had no problems. A couple months ago, they had a little trouble with space. Their database was getting too large, and they ran out of space or storage space. So what they did to combat that was to remove all of the different worker names and just make one and then have the total hash rate. Before, you would have all the workers listed. You could see all the hash rates for each worker individually, and it was nice to be able to monitor them like that. Well, I guess just a couple days ago, one of the phones, or actually I say two of the phones, uh, maybe the cat jumped on the shelf, it bumped the plug, but two of them had stopped. They had gotten unplugged and discharged, and then the phone just turned off. Well, I noticed a little change in the hash rate, but I didn't know where it was. Now, I only have about 23 total phones and CPU on this, so it wasn't a big deal to find it. Now, if I had a larger farm, it might have been a bit of a hassle, but I was able to find it relatively quickly by just looking at the few phones that I have. But it would have been nicer to be able to just look at it, know exactly which phones it was, go to that tray, get those phones because I have everything labeled, and be able to grab them and work on them. So they took that away. And that's something that I really liked. I really liked that feature. So I understand why they did it, but it's something that I like. Now, I do know that they offer merge mining, and that's something great that they offer. And to do merge mining is actually costs you more money to run a pool than just a regular mining pool that's just mining, say, Varus. Excuse me. Merge mining pool will cost more money to maintain and operate. So it is a perk to have that. So yes, if I was to leave Luckpool, I wouldn't be getting the merged mined coins. Well, I've been merge mining for a while now, and I have gotten some. There's no question about that. I definitely have. But the amount that I've gotten is very small. I mean, typically you merge mine, you get one token or coin, that's the lion's share, and then you get small portions of the other ones. Well, the small portions of the other ones haven't equaled enough money to sway me to stay with Luckpool, unfortunately, because I have been with them, like I said, since the beginning, and they really are a good pool, but they don't show you the workers. So I moved over to Vipor Pool, over on Vipor Net, or it's Vipor Pool, but it's Vipor.net. I moved over to their pool. It has the same layout that, or I should say similar layout that Luckpool had. It has the paid, the total paid, this one has the 4-hour, 12-hour, 24-hour, the estimates, my pool effort. It's got all the information that I used to get over on Luckpool, except on this one, they also give you all the worker names. So that's something that I really appreciate. Do they offer merge mining? No, they don't. Merge mining, like I said, takes more effort, more money, and the amount that you get from it, they feel that it's not, I guess, worth that. So they don't offer that merge mining. So though it sounds better for merge mining on Luckpool, and you definitely make more because you are merge mining, the loss of all of the worker names and being able to just look through and see all of mine, which I have all labeled and numbered, and I can simply go through here and say I'm missing these particular ones, or if there's a problem with something, that for me outweighs the added profit from Luckpool. I think having all the names listed with all of this information is something that I appreciate very much. And I think I'm probably going to be staying over here on Vipor.net. Now, if Luckpool comes back out with that, they say increase their storage size so they can increase their database size, and that was, that feature was to come back. Out of respect for a pool that's done really well for me and has, kept up with me since the beginning, I would go back to Luckpool. I've had success with them, and why not? But I really do like the names. I do like the worker names. So for now, Vipor.net, Vipor Pool's where I'm going to be sticking. So I'd love to know in the comments down below where you're mining, and would you rather have the merge mine coins and earn an extra penny or 2 pennies a day, compared to being able to look at your phones in a list and at a glance know if all of your phones or CPUs are running smoothly and operation is moving forward. So comments down below. I appreciate it. If you watch any of my other videos, I'm going to have one up over there. Oh, actually, it's going to be up over there. If you want to subscribe to the channel, that button's over there. I appreciate y'all checking in. I'll see you next time.